La 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 la. Alright, so earlier we were making this velvet keyboard and Katelyn had this funny joking idea of making velvet nails.
Like that has to be safe to put on your nails.
What makes you think that?
Smells like it. I'm dead serious. I want to make velvet nails. I want to give myself velvet nails. The stuff you paint on to items to add the flocking material, the fuzziness, it smells just like nail polish. And therefore, ergo, here too, I can make velvet nails using nail polish and flocking powder.
I'm confused, why do you have these clear?
Well, you gotta do a base coat so that the red doesn't stain your nails.
Oh, okay.
These are gonna be proper
Properly
nails.
done.
My main thing that I'm wondering about is, do I do a traditional base coat or do I do the Holo Taco Peely base coat? What do you think I should do?
I think you should do peel off.
Just in case it goes horribly wrong.
Just in case it goes horribly wrong. How are you gonna wash your hands? Like, imagine washing hands with velvet nails. Have you not thought this through?
No. I just want it.
Well, we're here, we're committed, we're set up. Let's do it. All right, so am I gonna paint it?
Would you like to?
I've never painted nails ever.
You want this to be your first time?
Show me how to do it first.
I mean,
is it just kind of just like painting?
yeah, it's like painting. The main thing is like how much you get on the brush and how much it's gonna spread out.
Okay, so a precise starter amount is the most important.
Yeah, because if you don't get enough, it gets kind of like thin and dry. I didn't know this would be like a nail tutorial.
Oh.
I should not be doing this since you guys have seen my nails painted like 0.1% of the time I've ever been on camera. I'm not a pro.
But you have done it more than I have.
That's
so
true.
You're the only teacher that I have.
Yeah, would you like to try a clear one?
Yeah, how much can I mess up a clear one?
I mean, you can.
So you dip in just a tiny bit and then you can do a little like that. It goes all the way back, right?
Yeah.
So like that, and then like that.
Anything you miss is not going to be peel off. And
Oh, so you like touch the cuticles almost.
yeah,
Okay.
I like get to the edge of them. I get the full nail.
Full nail, okay. All right, second nail I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna do it perfectly. So you go all the way back to here, or even farther back?
That's fine.
Did I go over?
A little bit. It's fine.
It's fine. It's practice. Oh, the thumb. Such a big canvas.
Rude.
Miniature canvas compared to mine.
It's just different proportions. Yours is like a croissant, and mine's like a piece of toast. I also have kind of weird nails though. Like there's not a lot of.
How do you see?
Well, it's easier when it's the color. You just look at what's glossy.
Fun. It's kind of it's very resin-like in its consistency.
It is. You know, and if you get like gel nails,
Yeah.
I think those are cured with UV.
So they're basically just UV
Basically
resin
just
that you
UV
put on
resin.
your nails. That's intense.
I mean, I think so. I've never gotten gel nails done.
Well, now we wait for how long?
Sometime. Okay, after your jaunt with clear, do you want to attempt the red?
I'll watch you do a few first.
Okay.
I noticed you chose your left
My left hand?
hand. Yeah.
Well, painting your dominant hand is very difficult.
Okay, so you start right there. You do it in a few forward strokes like that.
Let's do it, baby. Flock me. Look at it. Oh my God. It looks like a clown wig.
It looks like you.
It looks like what?
It looks like you stabbed something with that nail. It looks like a deadly instrument. It looks like you killed something.
Yeah, it does a little
Sorry, but it does.
Usually I would say murder is bad, but I would kill for some good waterproof shoes that are both stylish and comfy.
Silly Katelyn, you don't need to do any murdering. Just pick yourself up a pair of these Vessis, the sponsor of today's video.
So Vessis are 100% waterproof sneakers, and to prove it, I'm gonna stick my shoe in the sink. Notice the water cascading off. Sock test.
Sock test.
Fully dry, fully dry. Touch that toe. Thank you.
Vessis are sustainably made with a dual climate Dymatex material that is so breathable and lightweight, it doesn't even feel waterproof.
They're also made with no animal byproducts, have bouncy soles, and anti-slip technology. You guys know I'm all about being comfy, which is why Vessis have been my go-to sneakers for over a year now. So go to vessi.com/EvanandKatelyn and use code EvanandKatelyn for $25 off each pair you get. I mean, honestly, the nail polish looks exactly like the flocking glue paint.
Yeah.
Same consistency, same smell.
I think this has an even stronger smell, which means it's probably
Even more adhesive.
even more adhesive.
Man, seeing the fuzz build up, it's like a chia pet. Look at it. I feel like this is working really well.
Yeah!
Right? It's so fuzzy.
It's so fuzzy. Okay, let's keep on going. Here, I'll do one.
Now, whatever you paint is gonna get flocked.
How was that for my first stroke?
It's good. And you're kind of a natural.
I am an artiste. The main thing I'm trying to get used to is like this brush. Can I just paint it with a normal paintbrush? I mean, what's the difference between a normal paintbrush and this?
Shape? Nope, you definitely got my skin.
Oh, shucks. Here, let me wipe it off real quick.
Oh, and you simultaneously got my skin and didn't go to the edge.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that isn't coming off.
No, it's done. We'll clean it up later. But we gotta move.
Sorry,
We
I failed
gotta move.
you.
Flop! It's not sticking. It's only sticking on that little part I touched
Oh
at
my
the end.
gosh.
It dried too fast. Okay.
Wow.
We need
well,
nail polish
know.
remover. We gotta redo that one.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that was a complete fail. That was a complete fail. You need to move so fast with this.
Yeah, you
Okay,
do.
should I get some nail polish remover?
Yes, please. Okay.
All right.
We
so,
back.
So maybe you do all the painting because you're faster at it.
I think so.
And time is of the utmost essence here.
Yeah, really not the working time of the flock paint glue.
No. I didn't even check to see if it's focused. Okay, we got you.
Okay. Phew.
Yeah, having just one surface, just the top, makes it so much easier to like just flock real quick. Yeah.
Oh my god.
What's that?
They look so cool. Okay, 2 more. And then we'll clean it up and we'll get like the final look.
Are you gonna put back on your leisure suit?
I should have worn the leisure suit.
Oh no!
I can't put
Yeah,
it on.
it's for the final reveal.
Okay.
It would have been a waste to put it on during the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm not leisurely yet.
Yeah, no, save that for the final reveal.
Okay.
There you go, baby.
Ugh,
I think it's working great. This is a great idea.
thank you. You doubted me at first.
I mean, it's a horrible idea, but it's working great. I kind of want to like follow you around after this, like while you do daily activities.
We'll
and
have
just, like,
some daily activities.
Just like, and we'll end with washing your hands.
I'll find a way.
Maybe like wear, just wear gloves unless it's like ready to like show off the hand. Just protect your hand from getting dirty ever.
Well, you can't wear gloves because then you can't enjoy it. I could just not use this hand.
Yeah, so then you don't need to wash it.
Yeah, so I don't need to wash it. It's just
Right.
it's my dirty hand.
So what if I want to go to like burgers tonight?
One-handed burgers.
Juicy, tasty burgers.
One-handed. Look at this, one-handed.
What's
Skills.
a messy two-handed thing? A foot-long sandwich.
I would not eat it in that manner. I would cut it to smaller, manageable bites. You hold it with this elbow and you cut it with this knife.
So then you wash your elbow.
I just wash my elbow. It's not flocked.
All right, well, we'll see you guys in a little bit once this is all cured.
Cured, dried, you know. Okay, I think it's been long enough to dust them off. Now I would start by just dusting off the skin, just in case it's still a little goopy.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Is this the most efficient way to do this? I'm not sure, but.
The most efficient is probably to like go outside and use like a
Blower.
blower and blow you off.
Yep, it's cold outside.
It is cold outside.
Bad hand!
It doesn't really work even.
Because I'm sticky.
I can get pretty close.
I feel like an excavator.
Yeah.
My hand is a dinosaur bone.
Feel like Indiana Jones. Does your hand bend that way?
I guess so.
Okay, so don't look. I'm looking,
Okay.
and they can see. I'll finish this up, and then you can react to your
Okay.
beautiful, beautiful nails.
Can they see?
No. So nail polish definitely dries faster than this flocking glue.
Yeah.
Actually, that looks like heckin' fabulous, right guys? Wow.
Can I look at it?
Okay, yeah, you can look. Right?
Oh.
The most matte nails you can ever get.
Whoa. Ah.
Is it everything you hope for and more?
Amazing! They feel so fuzzy and soft. Oh, this is great. I mean, it's not practical, but it's so great.
They look kind of awesome.
They look kind of awesome. It looks like felt. Looks like I have just little squares of felt glued to me.
And they still like kind of have a slight shine to them on the sides.
There's a little bit of shine underneath.
But I kind of like it.
I don't hate it.
It's kind of epic.
I certainly love it.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right?
That's
So
really
fun.
cool. That's really cool.
And it's like, it's staying on. The fuzzy doesn't seem to be coming off.
It looks really sharp, actually.
It does.
Very, very like solidly opaque.
Good fuzz coverage.
Good fuzz coverage.
Good fuzz coverage.
Now, how long lasting and practical are they going to be? We're going to find out.
Should I try doing like a few test
Yeah,
things?
yeah, let's go. Okay, this is Juby's hangout cave that we made for her. Let's see if we get Juby approval.
Hi.
Hey, waking up from your little
Who
nap?
disturbs
What do
me?
you think
Much
about
light. Sleep.
Is it good for scratching? Yeah. Is it fuzzy?
She's so dark.
Of course. Void.
Is it fuzzy?
Yes. Is fuzz.
Test 1, success. Katelyn has told me that there's an update.
Okay, it's been 2 hours since we filmed this. I was trying to plant some cat grass and I nicked this nail with my other nail. Do you see it? I tried to kind of like shove it back into place.
Oh, I do see like an empty spot.
A little empty spot right
An empty
there.
spot in the field.
I think it's because we have the peely base. I just see bare nail under there. Other than that, they're holding up okay.
Well, I'm sure Juby's gonna appreciate the cat grass though.
Yeah, if it grows.
So tell them what you did over dinner.
I accidentally licked my nail.
And what was that experience like?
It was weird. It was furry. It was soft.
Would you recommend it?
No. It was very drying, but it was probably inevitable.
All right, so we just finished our monthly workout. How'd the nails hold up?
I lost one chip.
Oh no!
That's the same chip that I like started earlier.
Yeah.
But other than that, you know, we're pretty good.
Pretty good, nice.
I just got them wet. Do you want to feel them?
Oh no!
Feel them.
They feel like moss.
Right. Like moss on a step.
Like moss on a rock. Moss on a rock. They don't look bad. They look kind of slimy. And they are.
Okay, so we just woke up and I thought I would share how my nails did overnight.
You're hiding them. What happened?
Well, I just want to see what you thought happened. Prediction.
You lost a nail.
I didn't. They're all still on.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Still super fabulous. Oh no, there's some damage.
There's a little damage, but I think the most interesting thing is it has gone from being a luxurious, fuzzy thing you want to pet to like, it looks like my nails were slightly damp and I put them in my pocket and was like, oops, they're kind of fuzzy now.
Yeah, they're not luxurious like this. Not at all.
No,
not at all.
They've lost the majority of the fuzz.
Oh.
So, you know, I think that this nail experiment, if you're just doing it for one day and you want to look extra fancy,
If you want to go out for an
extra
event.
fabulous, you know, go for it. I don't think it harmed my nails in any way or anything like that, and it was pretty easy, but it's not gonna last.
It's a one-time use thing.
But you know what? Still worth it.
Still worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
So I was on the Hollow Talker website and it says, for best results, clean nails of natural oils ensure maximum adhesion.
I'm not that oily on my nails.
It also says, for longer wear, don't apply all the way to the edges of the nail. Stop a bit short so the nail polish will stick on the outer edges of your nail, and avoid getting peely base on your skin or cuticles to prevent premature lifting.
Do we need to start over if we did all of that?
It's just, you know, sometimes you do need to read directions.